Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem under organic chemistry involving naming of organic compounds. Please, when you are naming organic compound, always take note that you always consider longest chain, and also you will be considering the functional group where is being placed. You start counting, numbering your carbons from the side. And also you have to consider also when methyl group is being attached to the carbon, you start naming from the side where methyl group is attached to the carbon. And also when you have several methyl groups attached to the carbon, let me say you're having, for example, here when you have two methyl group attached to this carbon, you start naming your compound from the side before joining in with the other side. Like this one will be 2 2, because we have 1 2 3 4 5 longest chain, and if you count like this 1 2 3 4 5 still the same. Now I just picking the straight one, you still have the same naming. Is that okay? Now let me say I pick like this 1 2 3 4 5. It will not be 2 2 4. Is that okay? Because it's attached to this carbon number 4, 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. Is that okay? And if you come through this side, you'll be wrong, because it will give you 1 2 3 4 5. It will not be 1 2 3 4 5. That will be 2 4 4, which is very wrong. You start counting from where you have the closest counting to the multiple methyl group being attached to the carbon. Okay, we get there. Let's start from this side. You're having 1 2 3 4 5 carbon, and also it's a single bond compound, and that's pentane. It's named pentane. And always take note of this, the alkane. Number 1, we have methane as 1 carbon, ethane as 2 carbon. You're having propane as 3 carbon. You're having butane as 4 carbon. You're having pentane as 5 carbon. You're having hexane as 6 carbon. You're having heptane 7 carbon. We have octane 8 carbon. We have nonane. Nonane have 9 carbon. We have decane 10 carbon. Okay, now you can see as 1 2 3 4 5, that's pentane, 5 carbons. Yeah, okay. And let's see the other one. We're having 1 2 3 4, and we start see that there's attached methyl group here. You start counting from this side because it's the least count to the methyl group. 1 2 3 4. If you start from here to 1 2 3 before you get to the methyl group, we are picking the one that's least count of carbon to the methyl group. This one is attached to carbon number 2. You now write 2 methyl 1 2 3 4 butane, 2 methyl butane. That's it. Now let's see the other one. These are single bonds compound, that's why it ends with N. But we have a triple bond here, it will end with ine, because it's alkene. Is that okay? And what type of alkyne? That's what we want to name. Okay, now let's see. We can't start counting from here, because when you start counting from this side, you get to this, you have list counts of carbon to this side, to the functional group, then counting from this side. If you start counting from this side, you have 1, 2, or if you start counting from here, you have 1, 2, 3. We pick the least count. Is that okay? Now you don't have methyl attached to it. Just say but. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pents. Now say pents. Write it down. Pent dash. What carbon was it attached to? Carbon number 2. Pentyne. Pentyne. Is that okay? Let's see the next. This is an alkene group. You can see double bond, and I want to remind us that when you're having triple bonds and one bond, please don't add any hydrogen again, because the bond that's supposed to surround the carbon is already completed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintain it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay. Don't add any hydrogen again, because it's a must that 4 bonds must surround carbon. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's see this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is in alkane group. Let's now see. It's attached. We start counting from where we have the least count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No any methyl group being attached. Don't forget that methyl group is CH3 methyl, and ethyl is C2H5. C2H5. That's ethyl. That's ethyl. Okay, now let's see. Now name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's still pents. Pents attached to carbon number 2. Pentyne. In this case, double bond. In, change the A in to in. Pentyne. Let's see the next one. Attached to carbon number 1. Start counting from here. Start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 1. In this case, Pentyne in, or pentyne, or pentyne, or pentyne. Is that okay? You can only refer to the one that's 1 in as pentyne. Is that okay? Don't refer pentyne to pentyne. No, it's only Pentyne in that's the same as pentyne. Let's see the next. You can see that 2 methyl group is attached to this carbon, and 1 methyl group is attached to this carbon. If you start counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and start counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The best way to count is to start from where we have the most attached methyl to the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You still count like this. You have 5. Okay. Now, since 2 methyl group is being attached, you have 2, 2, the next one 4. Look at it. 4. Where is being attached? This one is attached twice. That's why we have 2, 2. The next one is 4. Iron. Try. Because we have 3 methyl. 1, 2, 3. Trimethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. Pentane. If there is double bond, you can now put pentyne or pent. Anywhere is being put. Let me say it's attached to carbon number 2. The double bond is attached to carbon number 2. Carbon number 2. You now say pentyne in. If it's attached to carbon number 1, pentyne in. Is that okay? But it's a single bond compound. You have 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane. Let's see the next one. You're having, let's see the counting. The numbering 1, 2, 3. You see that the methyl is attached to this carbon. You have 2 methyl. You have 2 methyl propane attached to carbon number 1, propan 1, or because hydroxide, and is a primary alcohol. Why is it primary alcohol? Because 2 hydrogen is attached to the carbon that is attached to the functional group. Let's see the next one. We look for the longest chain. You can see it starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can be written like this. We have 5 hydrogen and 1 carbon. The next one we have 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen, so that will give us C2H5. Okay, we have C, we have H, we have methyl group being attached, we have hydroxide. You see that this, if you go like this, you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's no. You go like, you move like this. You see that hydroxide is attached to carbon number 2 in this case, and we're looking for the longest chain, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. That's butane carbon number 2, butane 2O. Butane 2O. Is that okay? There's no attachment of methyl group. The one that looks like methyl group is not a methyl group. When you open it, so at least the longest chain attached to this carbon number 2. That's butane 2O. Now when you look at this also, if you expand it, you're having C, H, 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 C, C, H, 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 hydroxide, C, H, H, H. Then look for the longest chain. Now we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See now it's 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 2 methyl, 2 methyl propan 2O, 2 methyl. See, methyl is attached to carbon number 2, 2 methyl prop is propan attached to carbon number 2, propan 2O. Okay, so this is a tertiary alcohol because there's no hydrogen being attached to the carbon that's attached to the functional group. Here we have 1 hydrogen, here we have 2 hydrogen attached to the hydroxide, okay, which is the functional group. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.